The results are in, and the number one question asked of all loan officers across the country in 2024 is, when do you think these rates are going to come back down? Well, I've answered that a lot over the past year. I'm still answering it today on a daily basis. And from what I see, I don't really think the rates are going to be coming down anytime soon. All the economists and all these highly paid people who are paid to give their opinion of market analytics and trends, they don't even know. So this is where the market is. 6 to 7% conventional, clean credit, good down payment, 30-year fixed loans. That's kind of where we're at, somewhere in that 6 to 7 neighborhood. Something interesting I found was all the forecasts from these top economists and these big players in the industry. We've got Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, Redfin, Goldman, Mortgage Bankers Association, National Association of Realtors, Zillow. All these people have highly paid top economists that are paid to look at the market and forecast where they think the market's headed. So what does that mean? If we look at Redfin again this year, they think that we're going to average out over the whole year of 2025 to 6.45%. Now you can see how all of these other institutions, they're all close. They're all about, within a half a point of the 6.45. So if that does wind up making it, we're going to be somewhere in the mid sixes. So that's the forecast for 2025. I don't see things falling back to be very low. Something that I tell people a lot is you remember what it took to get us down in the 2s and the 3s back in 2020 and 21. It was a global pandemic that basically drove the world economy to a halt for a certain amount of time. So it took that level of outside market forces to drive the rates that low. And I've always said, going back years and years, that if we have super low rates in the mortgage world, then there's something else wrong somewhere else in the global economy or the national economy. So, we all love cheap credit, cheap money. That's a great thing to have when it's available. But I think going forward, this is just how it's going to be. So what do we do in that situation? Well, we're the same as we've always been. We look at your income, your credit, and your assets. What can you afford today? What kind of house can you get? It's really shifted to a buyer's market out there. Lots of buyers are getting great deals right now on homes because these sellers are realizing that they might not be able to get what they thought they could for a home that they have listed on the market today. I did a look at our pipeline a couple days ago, and over 85% of the loans in our pipeline have seller concessions on them. And what a seller concession is a seller assistance. So they're paying for your closing costs and they're making it as cheap as possible for you to step into a house as a buyer. So lots of good deals out there, lots of good houses. Is it the best time to buy? I don't know. 10 years ago was the best time to buy. What was even better than that was 20 years ago. What was better than that was 30. So you get what I'm saying. Getting in is really the most important step that you can make, because you start building that equity, you start getting that loan paid down, and you have equity and you have a home that you're going to own for the foreseeable future. So I think, and it's now. So is now a good time to buy a house? If your circumstances permit it, yes, now is a good time to buy a house. If you wait, prices are going up, rates are staying the same or going up. I hope they don't go up. I don't think they're going to fall too much, but you know what? What do I know? I've only been doing this for about 20 years and I don't have a crystal ball. It's anybody's guess. So what do we do here? We help you understand your options. We help you understand what you can afford, what you maybe shouldn't afford. Just because you can doesn't mean you should in all cases. Sometimes you might be able to afford it on paper, but do you really want to sign up for a $7,000 mortgage payment? I don't know if I want to do that. I don't want to let you do that. We're here to analyze everything, shoot you straight, give you all the options, and help you brainstorm. So what I do, a big part of my week is just kind of soundboarding with people and hearing what they want to do. Does it make sense to make a move right now? Should I build a house? Should I buy land? Should I refinance and pull money out? A lot of people are doing that right now too. Credit card interest is a lot higher than mortgage interest. So if it comes time to consolidate debt, you have some equity, maybe a refi is something you should be looking at. So any of this, I talk to people all week, every day, giving them ideas, giving them my opinions. If you want to talk about anything, I'm here for you. Non-threatening, we're not pushy. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, we'll do it later. Give us a call, 813-606-4255. Swift Home Mortgage, getwithjosh.com, swifthomemortgage.com. You can find us. We're not hard to find. We're all over the place. I hope you're doing well, and I hope to talk to you soon. Have a great day.